Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can enable or disable battery percentage showing in the status bar of your phone. See here, battery percentage is showing now. 83% is showing in the status bar. That means 83% of battery remaining available. Okay, if you want to show this percentage, then no problem, it is already showing. If you want to disable it, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the settings of your phone here, then go to notifications, then go to advanced settings here, then go to here show battery percentage. Okay, just already it is turned on, so that it is showing that 83% is 83 number is showing on the status bar. Okay, battery percentage is showing in the status bar. If you turn off it, there will be no percentage showing on the status bar. Okay, battery percentage is now disabled, showing on the status bar. Okay, so if your phone is already disabled like this, and if you want to enable battery percentage, it's really helpful to you. Then you have to make sure that this button is turned on. Okay, show battery percentage, then only this percentage, that is battery percentage, how much remaining battery is available, that will be displayed as a percentage in the status bar of your phone. Okay, so in this way you can easily enable or disable battery percentage is showing on the status bar in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.